Alright, so just looking at the inverse of exponential and log. So say we have y equals ln x minus 3. Now I just want to realise that you can't log a negative, so x minus 3 must be greater than or equal to 0. So the domain would have to be x is greater than or equal to 3. Range is all of the y, all real y. And if you think of how this is sketched, this is y equals ln x, and that goes through 1. And then, because ln of 1 is 0. And if you have this, then that moves it from 1, like this is your asymptote here, everything will move 3 across. So you go 1, 2, 3, just got to go one more, to 4. So moves 3 across to the right. I've gone too many bumps. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means the curve's going to go through here, but the asymptote will also move across to 3. So the domain is x is greater than or equal to 3, and the range is y, so it's all real y. You could also do this, so all real y. Okay, so the inverse of this exponential, so we have y equals ln x minus 3. That's base e of x minus 3 equals y. So first of all, swap the x's and the y's. We go log e, y minus 3 equals x. And then to get it out of log form, it's e, that's the base to the power of x. This is like the 7th rule, equals y minus 3. So y minus 3 is e to the x, and y is 3 plus e to the x. That would be your inverse function. Now if you're going back the other way and you had y equals 3 plus 2 to the minus x, to actually find the inverse, you swap the x's and the y's, and then you're going to make y the subject. So it's x minus 3 is 2e to the minus y, divided by 2, x minus 3 on 2 is e to the minus y, ln both sides, so it's x minus 3 on 2 is ln e to the minus y comes down, you got minus y ln e is ln x minus 3 on 2, ln e is 1, so it's minus y is ln x minus 3 on 2, and then y is minus ln x minus 3 on 2. Just sketching this one here, normally it would just be a negative exponential through 1, but if you had times 2, then that would be 2e to the minus x. Then plus 3 means you move it up 3, so that would be at 5. So it's looking like that. The asymptote will also move up 3. So the asymptote is y equals 3, and that's what your curve would look like.